Hey all you good looking people, we're here in the lower Blue Mountains today in Glenbrook to be exact. I'm parked on Cock Street and now I'm in some little reserve just off the end of it. Anyways, from here we're going to head to a place called the Duck Hole. What Duck Hole is, I don't exactly know, but we're going to find out together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots and let's get going. From this first split, you want to go this way. So, this is probably one of the less maintained tracks around this way, so I probably would not recommend it with kids, but once again, your kids. This is what I mean by not very well maintained. Just in case you're wondering, yes, that is train tracks down them. You want to go this way. At this juncture, you want to head this way to get down to the duck hole. As you can see, we've arrived at the choose your own adventure portion of the track. You can either go over it or run through it. I like both. Super graceful. And here we begin the descent down to the duck hole. Yes, we're coming off of a similar ridgeline. So I just came down from that crevice up there and should be heading that way now. So here we are, the reward for all that effort, the duck hole. It's a serene place. So beautiful. And I have it all to myself. You see why though, the walk down here was not very well maintained. and especially that last section, there was a lot of rock scrambling and loose rocks along the way, so probably not the best track for little ones. Either way, come check it out. This seems to be a far less sketch way to go down than the way I used dropping off that rock, so you might want to take this route. Obviously, I am taking it back up. So, I came up that way from Duck Hole, and now we're going to go up this way to join back up with that little slot in the rock that I climbed down. Anyways, let's go. So, we just climbed up from there, and now we're going to head up there. The rest of the route is pretty much the same as when we came in, so I'm going to put the camera away and talk to you back at the car. I'm going to enjoy the walk myself now. So that was the walk down to the Duck Hole from Cox Street in Glenbrook. Who knew such a gorgeous place existed, right? Well, I guess there's plenty of gorgeous places in the Blue Mountains, but didn't know about that one, and now you do too. As you can see, it was a fairly moderate to difficult walk, a lot of loose surfaces, some rock scrambling. Probably would not recommend you to take your kids, but once again, it's up to you. Anyways, if you aren't already, please subscribe. If you liked it, share the video. Hopefully other people will enjoy it too. Maybe share it with some friends you want to go on this walk with. As usual, please take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, you gorgeous people. Bye.